Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accounts from Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, deleting an account actually means making it inactive. This keeps your books accurate and your history intact while removing the account from everyday lists and reports. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and give you tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. You'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct company and that you have admin or full access, since changes to the chart of accounts affect your financial setup. Move your mouse to the left navigation and hover over Accounting. This reveals more options tied to your books. Hovering here is the quickest way to get to the area where all your accounts live. Next, click Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of your assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. If you're dealing with a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the account you want to remove from active use. It's a good idea to double check the account's balance and recent activity so you don't accidentally hide something you still need. On the right side of the specific accounts row, click the drop-down arrow. This menu is where QuickBooks puts the key actions for each account. If the account is a parent with sub-accounts, consider inactivating the sub-accounts first, because QuickBooks may require that before you can inactivate the parent. Choose Make Inactive. You may see a note that this reduces usage, which helps keep your chart tidy. If the account has linked transactions, QuickBooks will warn you. Inactivating won't erase history, but you won't be able to post new entries to it. Confirm the choice, and the account disappears from your active list while staying in your records for historical reporting. If you have more accounts to clean up, use the More Options to mark additional accounts inactive. This is helpful when you're standardizing your chart after a migration or pruning categories you no longer use. Work methodically, reviewing each account's purpose so you don't hide something that supports recurring transactions or bank rules. A few quick tips as you go. You can inactivate certain system accounts that QuickBooks requires. If an account is connected to online banking or tied to open transactions, resolve those first. And remember, you can always show inactive accounts later and reactivate one if you made a change by mistake. That's it. Clean, accurate, and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and keep your chart of accounts lean so your reports stay fast and useful.